Welcome to Pro Tool Reviews. What I want to show you today is Ryobi's 1+ 18-volt magnetic hybrid task light. So it's a lot there. And what this light does is allows you to use a 1+ 18-volt battery or regular 120-volt power from an extension cord. It's pretty cool because integrated into the base is a place where I can plug in the battery or the extension cord. Simply plug on the battery and I'm ready to go. I'll show you how the extension cord works in just a moment. As far as this light goes though, it does have a little bit of rubber overmold over here. It does have a magnetic space on the back that would allow me to attach it to maybe a steel stud or the metal insides of your storage shed, something like that. Also, flip down hook here allows you to attach it to a 2x4 or something like that, maybe on a job site or your workbench. So you can clip on 2x4 with this flip down clip right here, this little hook. Now, as far as a work light goes, it is flexible and allows us to get light from a lot of different angles. I can flip it up, I could rotate the head and put it all the way in the top, and again, rotate it to pretty much anywhere I'd want to have it. So wherever I might be doing work, I can make sure I get the light there. I can also position it this way because it has a flat bottom. So I can really get this dialed into exactly where I need the light. Control is easy as well. It has a light switch right on the front right here. And it has 3 levels of power. It gives you 3 different levels of illumination. High is 1500 lumens. Medium is 800 down to, I think it is 200. So 1500, 800, and then 200. So you can kind of dial in that level of lighting that you need for whatever the task may be that you're doing. Now located right next to the on-off button, there we go, is a little USB Type-C, has a rubber cover on here. And what that's going to allow us to do is charge our auxiliary devices like a phone or something like that using the battery or the plug. Now, folding up is just as easy. I can close the light down, put it back in place, and I'm ready to go. Further mounting options are also that it is link compatible. So if you notice the hex shape here, this actually has the ability to click into your link system that you might have already installed in your shed or shop. As far as powering it with 120 volts, pretty simple. Just take an extension cord. You're going to find on the bottom, up in here, a place where you can plug this in, plug that in, and you're ready to go. And because it has a flat base, I can set it this way. And now flip on my light and there we go. So there it is running on 120 volts power, and I can adjust my lighting level the same way. So no problem there. Unplug that. So it's really nice that you have that hybrid feature because, you know, in the event that your battery goes dead but you still have power, you can power it on with an extension cord. And as far as runtime goes, it's pretty good. Box says we got, let's see, 2 amp hour battery gives you about 2.5 hours on high and 16 hours on low. But if we bump it up to the 4 amp hour like I already have installed on here, you're looking at 5 hours of runtime, up to 33 hours of runtime on low. So that's a long time. And if you bump it up to the 6 amp hour battery, you're gonna get 48 hours of runtime on low and 8 hours of runtime on high. So definitely have enough power, depending on what battery you're gonna use, to have enough lighting, task lighting, to get through a typical work day without issue. So a lot of little things to like here. A lot of flexibility as far as what you can do with this light and the direction you can point it, and how easy it is to work with. So this light is available at Ryobi.com and Home Depot. It goes for about 80 bucks, comes with a 3-year warranty. I am curious, what do you think about the new tools that Ryobi is putting out in their ONE+ platform? What do you think about this light? Leave me a comment below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, do that so you don't miss out on any of these videos. And as always, thanks for watching.